Today we're diving into a detailed review of the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a legendary name reimagined for the modern era. This car brings a nostalgic charm combined with modern engineering, and there's a lot to unpack. So let's get straight into it. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is a stunning re-entry into the market. Volkswagen has taken the spirit of the original and wrapped it in a sleek, retro-inspired exterior that turns heads wherever it goes. The body lines pay homage to the classic silhouette from the 50s and 60s, but with sharper edges, LED lighting, and a more aerodynamic stance. The front fascia features a minimalist grille design, sculpted headlights, and a low-slung profile that immediately communicates elegance and sportiness. You'll notice chrome accents subtly integrated into the design, a respectful nod to its heritage, but everything else screams contemporary performance coupe. The two-door layout and swooping roofline make it feel like a rolling piece of art. Moving inside, the cabin is just as impressive. Volkswagen didn't just focus on aesthetics. They packed in premium materials and smart tech. You're welcomed by a beautifully crafted dashboard that blends soft-touch materials with brushed aluminum and sustainable wood trim. The seating is low and sporty, hugging you just right with available Napa leather upholstery and contrast stitching. The digital cockpit comes standard, a 12.9-inch customizable display that flows seamlessly into the infotainment screen. The system runs VW's latest software with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and built-in navigation. Climate controls are now touch-sensitive but surprisingly intuitive. You also get ambient lighting with multiple color options to match your vibe. There's even a nod to the original Ghia with a classic-style analog clock sitting in the middle of the dash. Small detail, big character. Performance-wise, the 2025 Karmann Ghia doesn't disappoint. Volkswagen offers two powertrain options at launch. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing around 230 horsepower, which is plenty to make this coupe feel alive and nimble. For those who crave more excitement, the GT trim steps it up with a plug-in hybrid setup delivering 300 horsepower and instant torque off the line. Both trims come with an adaptive suspension system and a sport-tuned chassis, making it a joy to toss around corners. It's not just about speed, though. The ride quality is refined, soaking up bumps while staying composed at higher speeds. The hybrid model offers an estimated 40 miles of pure electric range, perfect for city driving without any emissions. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is positioned smartly to attract both enthusiasts and luxury coupe seekers. The base model starts at approximately $39,000, which feels reasonable given the style, heritage, and tech you're getting. The GT hybrid trim bumps the price up to around $47,000, but includes a lot of premium features as standard, like the upgraded sound system, sport seats, and advanced driver assistance package. Volkswagen is clearly aiming to offer a unique blend of style, performance, and value, and honestly, they're nailing it. Overall, the 2025 VW Karmann Ghia is more than just a revival, it's a statement. It captures the essence of a classic while delivering a thoroughly modern driving experience. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original or someone just discovering the Ghia name, this car offers a refreshing alternative to the usual sports coupe options on the market. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us what you think about the new Ghia. Catch you in the next one, only on Tire Talk.